the chapter triangle, because this is also important chapter in 10th class. Okay, triangle and circle, these two are important. Where is it? 9th class na? You are in 9th class na? Okay, okay, math syllabus, Heron's formula. Okay, before starting this chapter we have to understand some term, okay, which are important to learn this chapter. Quickly write down triangle. Triangle. Yes. Hmm. A plane figure bounded by three line segment. A plane figure bounded by three line segment is called a triangle. We denote triangle by the symbol this. We denote triangle by the symbol triangle. Okay. No need to understand what you mean by closed figure. The meaning of closed figure is you cannot able to find the starting and ending point. Okay. And the what do you mean by line segment? This is called a line segment. This is called a line, and this is called ray. Okay. It has fixed starting and ending point. Complete. Then write down types of a types of a triangle on the basis of a side. On the basis of a side. Yes. Look, a triangle have three side. Name. What are the name? If ABC is a triangle, what are the name of three side? Side AB, BC, CA. Okay. How to represent it is a line segment? You should use this R. You should use this line. Okay. Then how to write? How many angle triangle have? Three. By looking this triangle, tell me what are the three angle?
Angle A, angle B, and angle C.
It is the shortcut name of angle A, angle B, and angle C. Angle A I can write it as there is a long name also. BAC, BAC, or CAB. The angle which we consider should be inside the should be in middle. Okay, should be in middle. Okay, angle B. Angle B we can write as ABC
Angle B, AB, or CBA.
or CBA. These are the basic things. C angle BCA
BCA or ACB.
or ACB. You should remember these things. Then a triangle. Then a triangle have how many vertices?
1, 2.
Three vertices. Vertices means the point at which two line segment, two or more line segment are attached or connected to each other. So how many vertices? A, B, and C. Then types of a triangle. Look, triangle are divided into different types on base of sides and angles. Sides and angles. On the basis of a side, we have three type of triangle. Tell me, what are they?
Isosceles triangle.
Which what?
Isosceles.
Okay. First, equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scalene triangle.
Okay. Equilateral triangle. Then isosceles. Look the spelling. ISOSCLES. This is the isosceles triangle. Then the third one is scalene triangle. SCALENE. On the basis of side, we have three types of triangle. One is equilateral triangle, then isosceles triangle, then third one is scalene triangle. Then tell me, what do you mean by equilateral triangle?
तीनों sides equal होते हैं.
which call. Look, equilateral triangle means all the sides of the triangle are equal. This, and remember, not only side, that means AB equal to BC equal to AC, na? And another thing is, in this triangle, angle A, angle B, angle C also equal. Angle A, angle B, angle C are equal. How much degree? 60 degree.
60, 60.
60 degree, 60 degree, not 66 degree, 60 degree. Okay?
60, 60.
Yes, yes. This is the equilateral triangle. Then isosceles triangle.
Two sides are equal.
Isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Suppose this side is equal to this side. Okay? In this figure, AB equal to AC. Remember one thing. The angles opposite to the equal side
The equal sides
is also equal.
Equal in
Okay.
isosceles triangle, है ना?
Scalene triangle. All three sides are
Side is equal.
all sides are different. All sides are different. Okay. Suppose it is a isosceles triangle, a scalene triangle. AB does not equal to BC. This is symbol is called does not equal to. BC does not equal to AC. Okay? Wait just 1 second. Just one.
भैया 5 सेकंड हो गया.
Then on the basis of angles, on the basis of
मामा भैया बाथरूम गया है. आ गया.
Hello.
On the basis of
Angle.
angles, we have three type of triangle. We have three type of triangle. One is acute angle triangle. Then right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Then obtuse angle triangle. Then what do you mean by acute angle triangle?
Acute angle triangle जो 45 degree है.
A triangle in which all the sides, all the angles are more than 0, are more than 0 degree, but less than 90 degree. Look the word here, all the angles. A triangle in which all the angles are, okay, all the angles are more than 0 degree or less than 90 degree. What is the meaning of this?
90 degree.
Suppose it is a triangle ABC. Here A is less than of 90 degree, greater than of 0 degree. B is also less than of 0, less than of greater than of so less than of 90, greater than 0.
Greater than 0, less than 90.
C same thing. Okay, greater than 0, less than 90. Okay, suppose it is 45 degree. Sorry, suppose it is 40. Suppose it is 45. It will be how much? 85. And suppose this angle A equal to 40. Okay. Okay.
तो 180
Then right angle triangle. Right.
में एक एंगल 90 डिग्री होता है.
Okay. Right angle triangle in which a triangle
All
in no in which in which one of the
angle is 90 degree.
one of the angle is
90 degree.
one of the angle is 90 degree. Okay, look, suppose ABC is a right angle triangle and the right angle is forming at a B. The opposite to the right angle is called a what?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse, and the other two sides are called leg. Other two sides are called legs. Legs to the right angle right angle. Legs to the right angle.
नीचे वाला बेस होता है और वो परपेंडिकुलर.
Yes. And then
वो
ah
obtuse angle triangle.
no, you have to understand. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse square is always equal to
Hypotenuse perpendicular square plus base square.
it is called perpendicular, it is called base, it is called height. So this formula is called Pythagoras theorem. This formula is called Pythagoras theorem.
Given by
Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Then tell me, what do you mean by obtuse angle? Obtuse angle triangle.
एक एंगल शायद 90 डिग्री से बड़ा होता है.
Today you have one unit test na, on which chapter? Today you had a unit test na?
No.
Or?
Did not.
Okay. Listen. Then obtuse angle triangle. Then what is the definition of obtuse angle triangle? One angle. In the triangle, one angle is greater than 90. One angle is
Greater than 90 degree.
greater than 90 degree, less than 100 degree. Less than
180 degree.
180 degree. So look, suppose it is a triangle A, B, C. This is suppose 140. This is 40. This is 40. Okay. And this is 140. So how much this two will be? 80 na? 40. Okay. Angle B equal to 140. This is called a obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Complete? We covered what do you mean by triangle, types of a triangle, then on the basis of a side, on the basis of a then tell me how many right angle triangle can be possible in a triangle? Suppose it is a triangle. How many right angle can be possible in a triangle? Only one. Okay. In a obtuse angle triangle, how many obtuse angle can be is possible in this triangle?
One.
Only one. Okay. Then the next thing is median. What? Median. Do you know what? Suppose it is a triangle A, B, C. The median is if you connect the vertices to the opposite side midpoint. Opposite side midpoint. Remember, if we draw a line from vertices to the opposite side midpoint, suppose D is the midpoint. So then AD is a median. Understand? Okay. The definition of a median is a line segment that joining the vertices to the opposite side midpoint. Here you should remember D is the midpoint. Then what do you mean by midpoint? The point that divides the side into two equal parts. And that means BD equal to DC. A point on BC that divide BC into two equal parts is called midpoint. In this figure, D is the midpoint. In this figure, D is the midpoint, and AD is the
median.
median. Same thing. I can draw from B to side AC,
B to
side AC,
C का midi
and then
midpoint.
from C to the midpoint of
C to side AB.
AB.
Hmm.
Okay. Then look, this point, the point at which three midpoint are to three
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 median.
midpoint are sorry, the point at which three median are intersect each other is called a centroid. CEN centroid. CENTROID.
Hmm.
Okay, the point at which the medians of a triangle intersect each other is called centroid. It's called centroid.
Centroid.
Okay, then tell me
Hmm.
how many medians a triangle have?
Three.
Three. Look the diagram, you can understand three because three vertices from each vertices to opposite side. Midpoint of opposite side, and this is called the point of intersection is called the what
Centroid.
centroid. Then altitude. Okay, look. If you look this diagram, you can understand. Suppose it is a scalene triangle.
Hmm.
Okay, okay. T is the midpoint. Try to understand. In this question, you will understand what is the difference between median and what is the difference between altitude.
Hmm.
That is another term, altitude, na. Median means it should be opposite point to the midpoint of sorry
Midpoint.
vertex to the opposite side midpoint.
हाँ.
Vertex to the opposite side midpoint. Vertex to the opposite side midpoint. Opposite side midpoint. So D, E, F. These are the T, E, F are the
Midpoint.
midpoints of B, C, A, B, A,
BC,
C
AB, AC.
respectively. But altitude means look, same triangle, same ABC triangle. If I draw perpendicular, I don't know whether it is touching the midpoint of opposite side or not. Means vertex, the line that forming from vertex to opposite side in 90 degree is called altitude. Here A is called altitude. Here A is called the altitude.
Hmm.
Okay, look the difference. Same line segment that joining vertex to midpoint. Line segment that joining vertex to opposite side at right angle. At right angle. Okay, this is called altitude. So how to write altitude? A E.
A line segment that
Mm,
joins
mm, mm.
vertex to
Look.
opposite
How to
side
write in
at
math?
90 degree.
A E perpendicular to BC. It is perpendicular, na? Forming 90 degree, na?
हाँ.
Here is forming 90 degree, na?
Hmm.
Here is also forming 90 degree, na?
Hmm.
It should be connect each other. Okay.
Hmm.
If you draw, it should be connect each other. So how many altitude a triangle have?
3.
Okay. The side on which perpendicular is drawn is called BC. It is called base. Is called the base as compared to the altitude. Okay.
Hmm.
Suppose
क्या क्या?
suppose in this triangle ABC, I am drawing one altitude.
Hmm.
The now for AE, BC is the base. For AE altitude,
The base.
BC is the base.
Base.
BC is the base. That's why when we are finding the area of the trapezium. Suppose this is the perpendicular, this is the perpendicular. What is the formula for finding trapezium area of the trapezium? Half into
base into height. नहीं. Sum of parallel lines and into base.
okay, sorry, parallelogram. What is the formula for
Parallelogram.
parallelogram? That is base into height, na? Okay. Suppose here you look in this diagram. Now this is the base. Now this is the base. How you know this is the base? Because you are taking this height, perpendicular line, and the perpendicular line that drawn on the drawn on the side is called a base. Leave that. That is the different things. Okay. Then the next thing is okay. Tell me the interior angle. The sum of an interior angle of a triangle is how much?
180 degree.
Okay, write down these things. Prove the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180. We have to prove this. Okay. Look. Suppose A, B, C is a triangle. What are the given things?
ABC is a triangle.
How many steps are there to prove? First step, given. Second step, what you are going to prove?
Construction.
Then third thing, construction. Then fourth thing, proof. The number one, given. What are the given things? ABC is a triangle. Triangle A, B, C is a triangle. Then to prove, what we are going to prove?
Sum of interior angle is
That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Then here construction is required. Okay. Draw a line through any vertex which is parallel to one side of a triangle. Then write construction. What you are doing? What you are constructing?
altitude.
No. Draw a line. It is not altitude. Draw a line through any vertex. Through any vertex which is parallel to
the base.
no parallel to the one side of a triangle. Why are you thinking about base? If altitude is not there, base concept is there. One side of a triangle. That means you can make parallel line on vertices A, and that is parallel to BC. Look, that is parallel to BC, na? Okay, you can draw, but you can draw only one parallel side. Okay, if you draw parallel side to B, vertices B, it should be parallel to AC. Okay, but in this case, I am drawing parallel line on vertices AB, which is parallel to BC. Okay, then prove. This is the triangle A, B, C. This is the line parallel to This is the line parallel to
BC.
BC. Suppose the line is MN. The parallel line is MN. Okay? Then look. MN parallel to BC from construction from construction. Then look. I am giving the number. This as 1. This as this is, look how many angles are forming. Mark all the angles. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. This is angle 4. This is angle 5. Suppose. Okay. Then look. MN and BC parallel to each other. MN and BC parallel to each other. BO. Suppose this point is O. BO is a transversal. So this angle and this angle
are
equal. Why? Why angle
interior angle
MOB equal to OBC because alternate angle of alternate interior angle of a transversal. Okay, so this is angle 4. This is angle 2. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Give equation 1. Okay, then you look. Then you think na. Look, this parallel to this. This is BC. This is M. So now CO acts like a transversal. So this angle
angle 5 parallel to
MN parallel to BC we know. So here by drawing this diagram we understand that OC is the transversal between MN and the BC parallel line. So same thing, angle MOC this angle is equal to OCB. OCB. Okay, sorry. This is already named na. This is already named, that is A. Just wait. This is A na. So here I in place of O write A. MAB ABC. MAP equal to ABC. Okay. Here also write this is A. So can I write no, NAC this angle na? NAC equal to ACB. ACB. This is angle 5. This is angle 3. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Okay. Then you look. MN is a straight line, na? And at point A, 3 angles are forming. Remember, if in a straight line there are number of angle is create, then here one property is there. All these angles should be equal. All these angle equal to 180 degree. Means angle 4. This is angle 4, na? This is angle 1, na? Plus angle 1 plus angle 5. Why? Angles forming on a straight line. It is not linear pair. Linear pair in concept of a pair means 2. If there is 2, if there is 2, if there 2 angle is forming on a straight line, that is called linear pair. But here more than two angles are forming, na? So it is not linear pair concept, but it is the concept angles made on a straight line. Angles made on a straight line. Okay. So look, this is equation 3. Okay, look. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Look, angle 4 equal to angle 2. From equation 1, angle 4 equal to angle 2, na? So in place of angle 4, put angle 2 in equation 1, equation 3. Angle 5 equal to angle 3, na? In place of angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 108, na? That is what we are trying to prove, na? Because angle 1 is A, B, C. Look, the interior angle. Hence proved. Hence proved the interior angle, the sum of interior angle. The sum of interior angle of a triangle is 180. This is necessary, okay? Or I know that is your outside of syllabus, but you should know, you should understand. Okay? I'm just checking how many exercises are there. How many exercises? 3 exercises are there. Exercise 7.2. Oh, just 3 to 4 questions. Exercise 7.3. 3 exercises. Okay. Then the next thing is okay, write down in a question. In triangle ABC, triangle ABC, 2 angle A equal to 3 angle B equal to 6 angle C. Then find angle A, angle B, angle C. Are you understood this question? Suppose it is a triangle A, B, C. This is angle A. This is angle B. This is angle C. The question is 2 angle A, 3 angle B equal to 6 angle C.
2 angle A equal to 3 angle B.
Okay. I can take all as constant. X. Because all are equal, na? 2 angle A equal to 3 angle B equal to 6 angle C equal to X equal to 2 angle A equal to X. Angle A equal to how much? How much? X upon 2.
इसमें 180 डिग्री आएगा ना x की जगह पे.
Then why we are adding here? They are same. Their measurement is the same. They are not saying we are, if you add the total sum is 180. Their measurement is same. The angle measurement is same. Okay. Then angle 3b equal to, so 3 angle b equal to x. Then angle b equal to how much?
Angle B equal to x upon 3.
Same thing. 6 angle c.
Angle C equal to x upon 6.
6 angle c equal to k. Sorry, x. Then angle 6 equal to x upon 6. Then by angle sum property, we know na x upon 2 plus x upon 3 plus x upon 6 equal to 180. Okay, then take the LCM. LCM is 6. LCM is how much? 2 to 6. LCM is 6. 2 comma 3 comma 6. Take 2 1 3 become identical. 2 again you take 3 to the 6, sorry 12. LCM is 3 1 1 2 12. LCM is 12. How much? 12. 12 into 2, 12 divided by 2, 6, 6x plus 4x plus x equal to 108. Then 6x plus 4x plus x, how much? 11x. 11x equal to 180 into 12. Cross multiply. Then x equal to 188 into 12 upon 11. Then I think I'm doing some mistake.
यहाँ पे x 2x आएगा ना, 6x plus 4x plus 2x.
Wait. 6x 4 12 3 ja 6 na 6x 12 3 ja 4. This is 2x. That is 12 na. Then it should be 12. 12 cancel. X equal to 180. Then if x equal to 180, angle A equal to how much?
Angle A equal to 90 degree.
188 upon 2.
188.
Oh, sorry, it is 108. It is 90. Then angle B equal to 60.
B equal to 60.
Angle C equal to 30. You understand how to find the answer? Okay. That's the concept of congruency. That is the main chapter, na? Congruency. Look, we come to your chapter.
पर इसका ध्यान चाहिए आज भी एटलीस्ट चल सकते हैं
CONGRU. What is the meaning of congruency?
कॉन्फ्रेंसी
हाँ,
मतलब दो इक्वल ट्रायंगल
look. In geometry, congruent means identical. Identical in shape and size. Shape and size. What is the meaning of identical? Same, equal. Suppose this is angle ABC. Look, this is angle AB.
हेलो
Hello,
हेलो
hello. Is my voice clear?
लाइट चला गया था
Look,
हाँ
in geometry, congruency means identical. Congruency means
हम्म,
identical. Identical in which? In shape and size. In shape and size. Suppose ABC is a triangle.
हम्म,
CD is a DEF is also a triangle.
ट्रायंगल
How to know it is congruent? You have to put this triangle on this triangle. If they are equal, then it is the meaning of a congruency. Like your two hand, like your two hand. If you keep your one hand on over another hand, you know they are called the congruent. Okay, this congruency concept can be applied to line segment also. Okay, don't think only triangles are congruent. No, a rectangle becomes a rectangle may have congruency because same shape, same size. What is the meaning of same shape? Means it is a rectangular shape. It is a rectangular shape. What is the meaning of size? Suppose its area is 330. Its area is 330.
330
Same shape and same size. That is called congruency. In geometry, not only triangles are congruent. The proof of a triangles are congruent is easy. Okay, that's why we are taking the reference point as triangle to prove all. Like look, suppose I am dividing this triangle into two equal triangle. If you prove this and this equal to this congruency equal to this equal, that means here
ट्रायंगल
same thing you apply. Okay, that means in geometry, line segment also having congruency.
ट्रायंगल और रेक्टेंगुलर
Angle,
एवरीथिंग है
okay,
कॉन्ग्रुएंसी
angles also, and any other figures. Okay, then we use this symbol. We use this symbol to show congruent to each other. Then the congruent exactly meaning is equal, equal, identical. Okay, then remember one things. Note, if two plane figure are congruent. Look, if two plane figures are congruent, then their area are equal. Try to understand. Suppose triangle ABC hello.
हेलो
Look, if two plane figures are congruent, then their area are equal. Try to understand this slide. Suppose ABC triangle and DEF triangle is congruent. Okay. Then their area. ABC area. Area of ABC should be equal to area of DEF. But it is not applicable to vice versa. What is the meaning of vice versa? If area is equal, then they are congruent. It is not applicable to that definition. If congruent, then area equal. But note number 2. Note number 2. If area of a two plane figure, if area of a two plane figure, if two plane figures are equal, they may or may not be. They may or may not be congruent. Look, like this is a circle. This is a rectangle, square. Both having 320 meter square. Okay, look. These two are plane figure. It is having the circle having area 320 meter square. Okay, and the rectangle having area 320 meter square. Are they congruent? Till now you understand. If I take this circle and put above the rectangle, are they become identical? Hello? No. So it is not necessary that if area is equal, the plane figure should be congruent. No. It may or may not be congruent. Okay? It may or may not be congruent. You understand? Then congruency of a triangle. Congruency of a triangle. Look, I can prove two triangles are congruent by 3 ways. By 3 ways. But when the triangle are said to be congruent, if their sides are equal, otherwise angles are equal, or they can be superimposed on each other. SUPERI RIMPOACD means, look, suppose it is a triangle. If their sides are equal, A, B, C, suppose sides are equal, means sorry, it is DF. AB equal to D, AC equal to BF, and BC equal to EF. Then I can say these two triangles are congruent. Okay. Then the number 2, angles. Suppose angle A is equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F. Here I can say also these two triangles are congruent. Then the third case, superimposed. Okay, superimposed. But the
एंगल सेम होने पे तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं होता ना.
अरे till now you know नहीं होता है because it's hard to prove. That is the proof thing. Here we are only understanding what the meaning of congruency. Okay. For proving everything, can you measure every angle?
No.
That is the proving concept. Here you have to only understand physically how to prove two triangles are congruent. Either their sides are equal, either their angles are equal, or सुप्रीम पोज मीन्स इसको लेकर इसके ऊपर रखूंगा, अगर वो इक्वल हो जाएंगे तो आई कैन से इट these two triangles are congruent. Then CPCT corresponding part, corresponding
Parts of congruent triangle.
corresponding part. The part of two triangles that have the same measurement are called corresponding part. Now the question, look, two triangles are congruent. Okay, they are corresponding part. Corresponding
Parts.
corresponding part like AB equal to DC,
DE
DE, BC equal to
equal to EA.
DA.
DA
Sorry,
equal
CA,
to
CA.
CA equal to BE.
D. And angle A equal to angle D.
Angle D.
Angle B equal to angle.
E.
Angle C equal to angle.
To angle F.
Angle F. Okay. That means, can I remember these six things? Okay. How to know these two triangles are congruent? Either sides are equal, angles are equal, then superimposed. Physically how to prove? Physically how to prove? Prove all the sides are equal and this side equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and also this angle equal to this angle is equal to this angle. Physically you prove, or this angle is equal to this angle. A superimpose, you leave it. That means, can I remember these six things to prove triangles are equal? Or there are any shortcut, or there are any shortcut? The shortcut is SAS, then AS, S, side. Okay, physically we have, if we try to prove two triangles are equal, then measure their side, measure their angles, prove them. If they are equal, prove. But it is taking much more time because six things you are considering. Okay. Then, but by using mathematics, you can take only three things. You can able to prove. You can able to prove. So these things we will start in tomorrow. Okay. Today your homework is, I will send you on video SST. Okay. SST the chapter name I forgot. Okay. I will send you. You should learn that chapter. Okay. Look here. This triangle and this triangle are equal, are congruent or not?
Congruent.
Huh?
No. Congruent.
Angle A equal to angle P. Angle B equal to angle R. Sorry. Angle P. Look now.
Angle B is equal to angle Q.
Look these two
angle R.
and also sides are equal. This is the physically how you prove. Okay. Tomorrow we understand how to prove these things by using math. CPCT, we understand. All the sides are if two triangles are equal, sorry, congruent, their sides are equal and their angles are also equal. Tomorrow we start the SAS, side angle side congruency rule. Okay.
इसमें थ्योरम्स प्रूव भी करना पड़ेगा.
Yeah. No, why are you? If it is necessary, we will prove. If it is not necessary, you will leave it. Or
Okay.
okay, but tomorrow you should complete. Look, if it is a theorem, we should prove. Theorem means we should prove it. Tomorrow complete your homework, that your chapter SST, read the video, then watch the video and read by yourself. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you will ask me in the next class.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough for the class. You remove to the class.